Dear students, the last class we were discussed about specification or characteristics of resistors and its features. Now we are deals with the classification of resistors. The resistors are classified as fixed and variable types. There are two types of classification basically. The first one is fixed resistors. The definition for fixed resistor is a fixed resistor is one whose value does not change. The fixed resistors are following type. See, we can alter the value of resistance. Such type of resistor is called fixed resistors. First one, carbon composition. There are four type fixed resistors are available. First one, carbon composition resistors, wire wound resistors, metal film resistor, and carbon film resistor. See, carbon composition resistor, wire wound resistor, metal film resistor, carbon film resistor. These all are the four type of fixed resistors. Now, what is carbon composition resistor and its construction details? See, carbon composition resistor, these resistors are constructed by mixing carbon powder and insulating binder resin to produce the desired value of resistance. A carbon rod of about 5 mm length is covered with an insulating material for insulation and mechanical strength. Its two ends are joined to metal cap with leads of tinned wire. So, the carbon composition resistor constructed by taking a carbon powder and it mixed with the insulating material binder, or usually it is called resin, to produce a desired value of resistance. A carbon rod about 5 mm length is constructed by this mixture, and this mixture is again insulating with a material for insulation and provide mechanical strength. At the two end there are two metal caps are joined. Through that we connect two leads with a tinned wire. Now its advantages. This type of resistors are very popular due to their small size, ruggedness and low cost. The availability of resistance value are 1 ohm to 10 ohm with power rating 1 by 8 watt, 1 by 4 watt, 1 by 2 watt, 1 watt and 2 watt. And one more thing want to be mentioned here, their tolerance about plus or minus 5% to plus or minus 20%. And its disadvantage, their demerit are low stability, more noise and high temperature coefficient. So these all are the details about the carbon composition resistor under the fixed resistor. Now its specification I had mentioned earlier. Resistance range 1 ohm to 22 mega ohm. Tolerance range plus or minus 5% to 20%, plus or minus 20%. Wattage rating is 1 by 8 watt to 2 watt. Operating temperature minus 55 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. DC working voltage is 150 volt to 500 volt. Application of carbon composition resistor. Next, because of their small size and lesser cost, these resistors are used in most of general purpose electrical or electronic equipments. Identification of carbon composition resistor, which are small size, rough surface, having rough surface and sharp cutting edges or flat faces at two edges. Now we are going to deals with wire wound resistor. There are two type of wire wound resistors. See, two type of wire wound resistors. First one is power wire wound resistor, precision wire wound resistors. You can see the figure here. It's an example for a wire wound resistor. See, there are two type of wire wound resistor. First one is power wire wound resistor. Second one is precision wire wound resistor. Now, what is power wire wound resistors? The power wire wound resistors are manufactured by winding resistance wire such as nicro on a ceramic film or former. The wire is then coated with an insulating material to protect from moisture and breakage. They have excellent electrical properties such noise and overload characteristics. Here, a resistance wire as known as nicro. This resistance wire wounded over a ceramic former, isn't it? They are coated with a insulating material to protect from moisture and breakage. They have excellent electrical properties such as noise and overload characteristics. And its advantages: the wire wound resistors are reliable and stable. And its disadvantage: large size, high cost, and poor performance in high frequency. Now its specifications: resistance range 0.1 ohm to 22 mega ohm, tolerance range plus or minus 5%, wattage rating 3 watt to 200 watt, operating temperature minus 55 degrees Celsius to 275 degrees Celsius, DC working voltage up to 500 volt. Application of wire wound resistors: immense use in power supplies, multimeters, Wheatstone bridge. Next application: load resistors, current limiting resistors, voltage dropping resistors, bleeder resistor in power supplies. So these all are the main application of wire wound resistor, that is power wire wound resistor. Now come to the next resistor, that is precision wire wound resistor. The precision wire wound resistors are manufactured by winding a multi-layer coil on an epoxy bobbin or a former. See, the precision wire wound resistor are manufactured by winding a multi-layer coil on an epoxy bobbin or a former. See, okay. There are precision wire wound resistors which is making or made by a resistance wire wounded over a epoxy bobbin or a former in multi-layer manner. At high frequencies, the coil inductance create problems. This is minimized by winding the first half in one direction and other half in the opposite direction. The precision resistor is a resistor that has a very low tolerance value, so it is very precise, closely near its nominal value. See, precision resistor has a quality which shows closely near its nominal value. Resistance value is very, very close. There is no furthermore tolerances allowed. They are available up to 5 watt rating with the tolerance better than 0.5%. Now metal film resistors. The metal film resistors are of two types: thin film and thick film. The thin film resistors are made by depositing a metal film of thickness 1/millionth of an inch on a suitable ceramic base. Okay. They are available from 10 ohm to 1 kilo ohm with a typical 5 watt power rating. In the thick type, thickness of the metal film is more than that of thin film type. These resistors have low temperature coefficient and very good stability. Therefore, they are also considered as precision resistors. Here it is: thick film resistors are of the following type. it is classified into 4 types as based on their the material used or metal used for constructing the metal film resistor. First one, tin oxide, second metal glaze, cermet, and bulk film. Here you can see the construction details of a metal film resistor. See, the first one is leads. One in either end you can see 2 leads, and end cap at the 2 edges. See, and ceramic. Here it is. You can see the ceramic. Okay. Then metal film. Over that ceramic, you can coat a tin metal film and grooved here for a getting desired value of resistance. And over that, an epoxy coating that provide some physical and physical strength or mechanical strength. Finally, color bands provide color band for a resistance value indicator. Now the construction details of 4 type metal film resistors. First one, thin oxide, which is deposited on a ceramic base under high temperature. Tin oxide thick film resistor are available from a few ohms to 2.2 kilo ohm. The metal glaze resistors are manufactured by the depositing powdered glass and fine metal particles on a ceramic base. It is heated to a high temperature of 800 degrees Celsius. This kind of resistors are available from a few ohms to 3.3 kilo ohm. The name cermet is derived from ceramic and metal. That means mixing of ceramic and metal. It is manufactured by depositing metal dissolved in an organic solvent onto a ceramic substrate by microscreen printing. The substrate is heated at 1000 degrees Celsius. The organic particles evaporate off and the metalluses to ceramic substrate. The cermet resistors are available in the range of from 10 ohm to 10 mega ohm in the wattage rating of 3 watt. Finally, the bulk film. The resistors are made by etching a metal film on glass substrate. These are available from 33 ohm to 1 mega ohm with wattage rating of 1 watt. Applications of metal film resistors used in all measuring and calibrating equipment such as oscilloscope, decade resistance boxes, measuring bridges, oscillators, voltage divider, temperature indicators, digital multimeters, etc. Today the time is up, so wind up the class. Thank you very much.